again, definition. A chord, if you have letters that are third apart, a third apart means you skipped a letter between them. So answer this question and see if you understand last week. Can a chord have 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 even different alphabet notes? Yes or no? Can a,
Yes.
yes. You can have unlimited number. So let's say you have A, you skip a note. You have C, you skipped a note. You have E, you skip one. You have G, you skip one. You have B, let's make that one flat because I like that one better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have even that. Is that a chord?
But one chord could only have like 4, right? Because you don't have enough fingers or.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Okay.
that's that's a different story because this is theory. So you might be able to do this on different instruments in an orchestra, right? You delete some notes, you still recognize it, but that's very, very high level of theory. How can you recognize it if you start deleting some notes, right? Okay, that's too high of a theory for this semester. But basically, you can have 6 different notes and it's still a chord, right? Can an alphabet letter repeat inside a chord? Can I put A, C, E, which is E, A minor chord, and repeat that A?
Yes, because you did that last week. You
That's
repeated.
right. Good
Octave.
job. You remember.
Octave. Octave.
Update. Okay. Now what's difficult is that last week, didn't we talk a little bit about inversions of a chord?
Yes, that's when you did it, when you did the inversions.
Right. So if you have C, E, A, you go, is this a chord? Let's see. Let me see if I can unscramble these letters and put them in such a way that I can find them in this manner. And you go, oh yeah, A, C, E. This is the original. You unscrambled it and you found the original, and you can say, yes, this is a chord. Right? Okay, so here's the exercise for you. Next slide. Are these chords? Let's tackle the first one. You unscramble the letters.
Yes, because
Yeah.
it's ace, and then you go E, F, G would be the third, right? You said the third?
This is the unscrambling of it. A, skip B, C, skip D, E, skip F, G. This is the original format. This is just scrambled, but it's this chord. If we're going to name this chord, we have to unscramble and then we name it. Okay, the naming is going to take an entire 2 hours, naming of a chord, so don't worry about it. Just know that when you see a whole bunch of things like this, let me use another color, you have to unscramble it to find the original position in order to name your chord. Is this a chord?
Yes, it's D.
D at the bottom, therefore skip a letter F sharp, skip a letter A, skip a letter C. This is the original. And for those who are more advanced, this is D7. And the original here is called
AM7.
That's right, yeah. Good job.
So Doctor, do have a question on this one. So you went from D to F sharp.
Mm-hmm.
So it's D, E, F, F sharp. So you count F and F sharp as one?
Yeah, because I'm talking about skips of letters.
Oh, letters. Okay, that's right.
Right. Could be F, F, you know, different accidentals, doesn't matter. Again, unscramble the green one and you will find. Now what that one is harder, right?
Very
Because
hard.
there's something missing. And when you start having things missing, that's when you don't know. But if I write that in, oh, okay. It's the same as the red one.
B A
So
C G.
nice.
Okay, I see it.
Okay, so it is very complicated. That's why I say one. By the time we get to naming chords, it will take a 2 hour. So this is just an introduction to it, Isabel. So you will
G
eventually
flat
see
7,
times.
like G flat 7 or something.
But which one are you doing?
I thought it's like a G flat with a 7.
No.
No. E.
Which one are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing the B7 C E A G. So that
The green one?
A C E G. So that A C E.
Yeah, but we're not learning how to name the chords yet. Is that,
Oh,
Isabel? This
yeah.
is naming the chords is gonna take 2 hours to explain all the chords possible.
Hi.
So it's not gonna be now, it's gonna be towards the end of the summer. But you could see how